Hey everyone, wygowarrior aka Julie here. Welcome to my channel. Look what I finally got. This here is my first beauty subscription box for 2024. In case anyone's new, welcome. Allure is a $25 a month beauty subscription. You do tend to get more skincare than makeup, but you do get some really nice bougie brands. You get at least 3 full-size items, and then the other 3 to 4 will be travel size or deluxe samples. It comes with a booklet, and inside the booklet, the editors of Allure will give their take on the product, and they will list what the full-size product value is. All right, let's see what the first product is all about. Ooh, this is from Dermelect. It's the Transfix Restore and Repair. Hold on, I'm gonna need my little friend because at first it looks kind of like either a foundation or, based on the size, some kind of nail polish. But with the words Restore and Repair, it's a protein peptide infused strengthening and restorative healthy nail formula. Mwah, mwah. What's the base coat? I don't do my nails. I like skincare from Dermelect. Wow, okay, so the box is this big, and this is how big the product is. Although, this is a color I would use and enjoy. So, maybe someday I will go to the salon and bring in the color with me, or do my own nails. Yeah, I'm too lazy to do that. I'm going to assume that's full size. Let's see what it retails for. Holy cow! That is $18, but again, I don't do my nails. Let me know, is that normal price for a nail polish? That seems a little pricey to me. All right, what else came in this box? What is this product here? All right, it's from Rock. Wow, I see products from Rock every time I go to Costco, but I've never tried anything because, frankly, they're a little pricey for me. This is a multi-correction Hydrate and Plump Serum Capsules. Ooh, capsules. Don't know why I said that because I've never used the capsule, but it seems like it's a 1 serving per capsule, which is on the Lazy Girl approved for distributing product. It does have hyaluronic acid, and you get 30 biodegradable capsules. This is what the packaging looks like. That is a beautiful shade of teal. All right, what does that retail for? Okay, not as bougie pricey as I thought. Well, it is a little pricey, but for some reason I thought it was going to be like $79. It's only $32.99. I say only. So that means each little capsule is $1 and some change. All right, what else came in this box? Little squeezy foil pack. All right, so this is from Ava NYC, and it's a therapy session hair mask. 20 ml. I presume if you have long hair, it's a 1-use product. I could probably squeeze 5 to 6 uses out of this product. It's only a sample, so something will float on screen. Although, wait, now I'm curious. If they tell me that's full size, watch me have a little conniption fit here. It's really hard trying not to get spoilers, trying to look stuff up. All right, so this is... No, okay, it's a sample because the full size is 500 ml, and that was only 20. And the full size is 16, which for a haircare product seems very reasonably priced. All right, next item definitely is a sample. Look how itty bitty this guy is. What are you? Okay, this is from L'Occitane, and it is going to need my friend here to read. What does it say? Immortelle Divine. It's a cream Genuse. Oh, I always go for the French. Right underneath it is English. It's a youth cream. You get 4 ml, and yeah, definitely a bougier brand and definitely a sample size. All right, next item. Ooh, I see Milk. Is this from Milk Makeup? Yes. What are you? Okay, this is a Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Oh, is it going to be sticky? I know they have a primer. That's the Hydro Grip. Ooh, it's even a green color like the primer, but it's a mist. You ready for me to test it out? Okay, first let's see how good the mister is. Okay, seems like a fine mist that's a little aggressive. Does not seem to have a scent and is a little sticky tacky. Wait, hold on. Let me read first, because when I hear mist, I think it's after you apply your makeup. I'm wondering if this is a primer but in spray form, because that would not be good to put on my face right now. So let's find it in the booklet here. Let's see. First off, it retails for $38 and you get 3.38 ounces. The editors say, this fine mist does everything a good setting spray should and then some. It helps prevent makeup from caking, setting into fine lines, and fading without feeling dry or tight. Okay, so it is a setting spray. So let's give it a little test drive here. Oh, it's aggressive. Oh, very aggressive. I don't like how that feels. It's like right on your face. All right, well, moving on to the next, and I think the last product. Nope, there's one more. All right, next product is from Elta MD. Please be a, what do you call that? Sunscreen, yes. Did I sound stupid? Does Elta MD only make sunscreen? Because that's the only type of product I've ever received from this brand. This is a UV Daily SPF 40. Ooh, it's a tinted. Yes, okay. I love a good tinted sunscreen. How tinted are you? Let's do a little test, because I'm curious if it's just tinted enough so you don't get white cast, or is it tinted enough where you can kind of, you know, you're in a hurry, you need to run to the store, you don't want to look like a ghost, but you don't have time to put on makeup. Does not seem to have a scent, and that does have some coverage in there. That was kind of risky of Allure, because people come in many different skin tones. It is a little dark for me, but has that ever stopped me from tanning or, you know, doing anything such as that? Okay, I like how, I don't know if pigmented it is, but definitely we will see at the end if it like fades down, or maybe I just put too much on, because I did do a squirt only for the back of my hand. Okay, I am excited about that product. All right, this also retails for $38. That's pricey. How many mLs do you get? 1.7 fluid ounces, or 48 grams. All right, and then the last product is a teeny tiny tub. And what are you? It's Egyptian Magic. What is Egyptian Magic? It's all-purpose skincare. I'm not even going to try to read that bottle. Let's see what the booklet has to say. Alright, so the full size retails for $39 for 4 ounces. And they say why you will love it. Makeup artists love this balm. Its combo of honey, beeswax, and olive oil quickly soothes and moisturizes, and has been known to make cheekbones glow on runways. So you can use it as a highlighter. Alright, since I'm pretty barefaced, I'm wearing BB cream and what do you call that? Stick contour and eye makeup and some lip products, but I don't have any blush, no highlighter, and no eyeshadow, because this is what I look like when I go to work, because I have to get up at like 5:45 in the morning, and yeah, I don't have time for that. Also, I'm filming this at 6 o'clock at night, so this is what this makeup looks like after like 12 hours of application. It came safety sealed, so let me try to get that off. There we go. Alright, I'm trying to see this balm. Okay, it's literally a balm. Like, it looks like Carmax or something. Feels like a balm. Doesn't seem to have a scent. Let's take a look and see if it really looks like highlighter. I'll just put it on one side of my face so that in editing I can notice or see if I can notice a difference. I can kind of see something, but Alright, let's recap everything that came in the January 2024 Allure Beauty Box. We got the Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream, the Multi-Correction Serum Capsules from Rock, a sample of the Therapy Session Hair Mask from Ava NYC, a base nail coat from Dermelect, the Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray from Milk Makeup, a sample of the Youth Cream from L'Occitane, and a Tinted UV Daily Sunscreen with SPF 40 from Elta MD. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, as always, this is a really good box. Even if you don't use, like, or enjoy every single product you get, with Allure, I always find for $25, I get a good value. Typically, the box value will be anywhere from $125 to $150, and I've received a couple boxes that were valued at $207 and 3 to 4 that are in the $170 range. So you do get really nice products and a good value, in my opinion. I wish the setting spray had a better mister, but I hang on to really good misters, so I can just pour this into a different container. I'm most excited about this tinted SPF. Let's take a look. For comparison, here's my pasty paleness, and honestly, I think that is a really good shade, maybe more so in the summertime, but when I start fake tanning again, that will be perfection. I don't do my nails. I'm not big into, what do they call this? Hair masks, but I may end up using them. I'm very curious if this is giving any kind of highlighter glow. If so, it's so lightweight and tiny, I can toss it in my purse. And I'm super excited or curious to give this product from Rock a try. A, because I've never tried anything from Rock, and B, I've never tried Capsules, and it's screaming lazy girl to me. All right, now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? Have you tried any of these products before? If so, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the product. Also, let me know, do you get Allure? Or have you been eyeing it and thinking about picking up the subscription in 2024? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.